May 2nd, Bloomington, Indiana. This is the update. So I planted some of the seedlings from home to here. I transplanted them and they seem to be doing okay. I think I did it yesterday or day before yesterday. And these are flower seeds actually on the side, and you can see some seedlings coming. So, and those are tomato seedlings that seem to be doing okay second day. And then I transplanted bitter gourd, and bitter gourd seems to be doing okay, but I'm not very sure. It doesn't look too good, but it's okay. Hopefully it survives. And then I have some tomato seedlings. I put them there. I put seeds 50 days ago, I believe. And I can see some seedlings coming out as well. Same thing, this whole line is like some tomatoes and then some bitter gourd and so on. Here, this line supposed to be bitter gourd and Dollar Tree beans, bush beans actually. But I got several bush bean seedlings that germinated, so I can see them doing good actually. And then I have one sour spinach seedling that germinated, another bitter gourd which I transplanted. So it's just trying to get it adjust to the new environment. Hopefully it will survive. And then you can see some flower seedlings. And this line is for okra, and I did not see any seedlings that germinated yet, but I have some transplanted ones that are doing okay. Okra. So I have about 4 seedlings that I transplanted. They look okay. And here, this is the okra line, and I don't see any of them germinated though. Hopefully they germinate. And then I have chilies line. In the chilies line, mostly I didn't see any seedlings germinated yet. I got some seedlings, and then I have some plants that I overwintered. So I put, this is a transplanted one, and this one is overwintered from the last summer. I have to check whether they'll do it, but they survived the winter. That's a good thing. They're supposed to do better this summer. Let's see. And then I have this one is like sour spinach. This one and this one I transplanted them. They're okay. Not too good, not too bad. They're okay. But this one is good, but this one is like okay. But I think it will survive. And then I can see some seedlings that are ready to germinate, which is good. Hopefully I'll see some seedlings germinated for I see one germinated, but I hope I can see more sour spinach germinated soon. And then I have this line. This line is like I think clustered beans and clustered beans only actually. So I see only one seedling germinated, so I hope I see more germinated soon. I hope. I don't see any yet, but I hope. And then that one is eggplant. So I put some seedlings in there. So they're really small. all seedlings. I just transplanted them. Oh, they seem to be doing okay. So, but we have to wait and see how they will do. And obviously, this one is better gut, and hopefully, it is okay. It's really sunny here, so it's getting adjusted to new environment because it just came from indoors. That's it. This is what I have. But I understand. I felt like because I was doing gardening in the house and I didn't have a lot of space, I underestimated how many seedlings I needed. So actually I didn't really put enough seeds for the space I have. Hopefully some seedlings germinate. I think tomatoes I'll be fine, but other ones, chilies, I think I'll be okay because I have a 6 or 7. I think it's okay. But okra, bitter gourd, I don't know whether they're going to adjust to the new environment and survive. If they do, I'm okay. And then actually I saw one bitter gourd seedling that is about to germinate. Let's see. Yep, here. There is it. Yep, here. It's ready to germinate. I'll try to cover it with a little bit of soil. Okay, that's it. And yeah, I do have so many tomato seedlings though. I think I have more than enough tomato seedlings. I also have extra ones in the house as well. So, oh, see, and so many. Yeah, I think they're the easiest tomatoes. Yep, that's it. Let me show the long view.